The long wait has finally come to an end, and the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is now officially unveiled. Almost immediately after its announcement, it began attracting massive attention from content creators, vloggers, and tech enthusiasts around the world. This release feels significant, not because it introduces something radically different, but because it carefully refines a formula that already proved incredibly successful. DJI appears to have listened closely to user feedback and focused on improving real-world usability rather than chasing dramatic changes. To fully understand why the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 matters, it's important to look back at what made its predecessor so popular. When the previous generation arrived, it quickly stood out in the crowded compact camera market. It offered a rare combination of a large sensor, impressive stabilization, and a rotating touchscreen, all within a device small enough to fit in a pocket. That balance between portability and performance made it especially appealing to vloggers who needed a reliable camera that could go anywhere. The experience was simple and efficient: just pick it up, turn it on, and start capturing high-quality footage without hassle. With the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, DJI has chosen evolution over reinvention. At first glance, the design may look very similar, and that's intentional. The company has retained the familiar form factor that users already appreciate, while quietly introducing a series of meaningful upgrades beneath the surface. These changes are designed to make the camera more practical in everyday scenarios, especially for creators who rely on speed and convenience while filming. The official announcement of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 in March 2026 marks an important moment for the product line. For months leading up to the launch, leaks and rumors had been circulating across online communities, sparking curiosity and speculation. When DJI finally confirmed the camera, it brought clarity and excitement at the same time. The initial release took place in China on March 26, 2026, with a global launch expected shortly after in April. This timing suggests that DJI is confident in the product and ready to reassert its dominance in the compact gimbal camera category. One of the most interesting aspects of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is how it introduces new features without compromising its compact design. A standout addition is the detachable LED light accessory. Instead of building a permanent light into the camera body, DJI opted for a removable module that can be attached when needed. This decision reflects a thoughtful approach to design. It allows creators to benefit from additional lighting in low-light situations while maintaining a slim and lightweight camera when the accessory is not required. For vloggers filming indoors, at night, or in unpredictable lighting conditions, this small addition can have a noticeable impact on video quality. Another upgrade that enhances usability is the inclusion of dedicated physical zoom controls. Previous models relied more heavily on touchscreen interaction, which could sometimes feel limiting during fast-paced shooting. With the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the addition of a physical zoom button provides a more tactile and responsive experience. This change might seem subtle, but in real-world use, it can significantly improve efficiency. Being able to adjust zoom instantly without navigating menus allows creators to stay focused on the moment they are capturing. Stabilization remains at the heart of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, continuing DJI's legacy of delivering smooth, professional-looking footage. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal system has been further refined, ensuring stable video even in challenging conditions. Whether walking through a crowded street or capturing action on the move, the camera is designed to maintain consistent, shake-free results. This level of stabilization is one of the key reasons why the Pocket series continues to stand out in a market filled with alternatives. The rotating touchscreen, which became a defining feature in the previous model, also makes a return. This design allows users to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting modes quickly and effortlessly. In today's content landscape, where creators often produce videos for multiple platforms, this flexibility is essential. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 makes it easy to adapt content for different formats without interrupting the creative process. Battery performance is another area where improvements have been introduced. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature a larger battery, offering extended recording times compared to earlier versions. For creators who spend long hours filming, especially in outdoor environments, this upgrade can make a significant difference. Longer battery life reduces the need for frequent charging and allows for more uninterrupted shooting sessions. In addition to hardware improvements, DJI continues to strengthen its ecosystem of accessories. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 supports a variety of add-ons, including external microphones, grips, lenses, and mounting solutions. This modular approach gives users the freedom to customize their setup based on their specific needs. Whether someone is shooting casual vlogs, cinematic sequences, or social media content, the ability to adapt the camera setup enhances its overall versatility. When evaluating the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, it's natural to compare it with the previous generation. The earlier model set a high bar with its 1-inch sensor, strong image quality, and user-friendly features. It became a favorite among creators for a reason. The new model does not attempt to replace that success but rather builds upon it. The core concept remains unchanged, but the refinements introduced in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 make it more convenient and efficient to use. For many users, the improvements in physical controls and modular accessories may be enough to justify an upgrade. However, it's also clear that the previous model remains highly capable. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 doesn't render older versions obsolete, instead, it offers a more polished experience for those who want the latest enhancements. As the camera rolls out globally and more creators begin to use it, its true impact will become clearer. However, based on early impressions, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is well positioned to continue the success of the Pocket lineup. It reinforces DJI's commitment to the compact camera category and suggests that there is still plenty of room for innovation in this space. For creators looking for a portable yet powerful camera, this new release is certainly one to watch closely.